Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix SMS sending issues on your REDMI Note 9 Pro. So at first I do recommend to restart your phone. Here, as you can see, we have our phone turned on, we have to hold the power button, tap reboot, and reboot again. It's maybe temporary issue, and we can fix it by just rebooting our phone. If you tried it, you can go to the next step, but it is the most common issue to reboot our phone. Now I'd recommend to check the range and your SIM card. If you have a SIM card in your phone, it's very nice, but if you don't have any range when having a SIM card, it's your SMS couldn't arrive and any other SMS can't arrive to you. Apart from that, check if you have your carrier paid, if you have paid your carrier, etc. Just to make sure that your SMS isn't the issue of your carrier and your SIM card. Apart from that, we can check the SMSC. So this is the SMS center, and we can check that, and if you have the same number, SMSC number. To do so, at first we need to open this free dialer here and call some number. Apart from that, we can go to the messages here, tap here this three dots at the top right corner, and here we have to tap on the settings. Here we have to search for the SMS sender, which is over here in advanced. Here, as you can see, we do have SMSC not available. Here you will have it available when you have your SIM card inserted. Apart from that, we can first stop the SMS application and then just open the application. It should fix some temporary issues about our application. So let's enter settings. Here, let's now jump to the apps. Here, tap manage apps, and here we can now search for the it's a system app. So let's go back and system app settings. No, it's not system application. Okay, never mind. So let's go back to manage apps and messages. Here we have messages and tap force stop here. Now we can try to turn on your application back again. It should help you, but it didn't help you. You have to now clear all the data from your application. So go back to the application info here and tap clear data. Tap clear all data and now OK. It should help you. Of course, it will delete all your conversations, SMS conversations. So if you have some important SMS, just do a backup of them. Of course, you can do it using your Mi Mover in your phone or export them to the cloud. Apart from that, you can test your phone using the other SIM card, and if it works on the other SIM card, that's something wrong with your SIM card, but it still doesn't. We have to go to the connections in our phone. Here we have connection and sharing. Scroll all the way down to the reset Wi-Fi mobile store and Bluetooth. Tap reset settings and here tap OK. And if it didn't help us too, we have to contact the carrier, because the carrier may did something to us, to our card, but we can check our card on the other phone too, and if it works on the other phone, it's the issue about our SIM card. But if it does work, It's something about our phone, and I do recommend to do a factory reset. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.